Mindiful.
Mindiful.
Mental health starts here.
Mindiful. Mental health starts here. Mindiful. Mental health starts here.
Mental health starts here.
It certainly does. Welcome to the most magical part of Mindiful, the Star Journal.
Wow.
I'm your host, Starling, and I'm so excited to get to know more about you and help you learn more about yourself. One of the best things about journaling is you can do it every day. I like to draw, talk, and share with my Star Journal because it's a super stellar space to keep all my thoughts.
I like you too.
Plus, I can earn a key to positivity the more I do. Buzz. I'm always here to listen anytime, and I hope you visit often. I can't wait to show you around. This is where I can make a journal entry or read my past journal entries. Let's make an entry. Journaling is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can draw, record your voice, and when you're done, select a mood. Now let's click Got It. Before we get started, here's a quick to-do about the features. I'm so happy to share this with you. First, let's pick what we want to talk about. Today I feel, I'm grateful for, my dream is to, I got upset because, I like myself because, I showed kindness when. Oh, let's do Today I feel. Now that we know what we want to talk about, press start and talk about how you feel today. And since I like to draw when I'm talking, I can doodle with all the pretty colors in the color picker. And if I ever mess up, there's the undo and eraser. Once I'm all done sharing and drawing, I can click stop and next.
It's journal time! Hooray! Hooray! This is my favorite part.
Okay, I'm going to press start, and today I feel like drawing myself with all my star buddies. So I'm going to pick a yellow and draw a big star and color it in. I always feel so happy when I spend time with all my star buddies. They're all so much fun.
Yay!
Okay, now I'm going to pick orange to draw my I don't know friend.
I don't know.
I love the color orange and I scribble it all in. All right, now pink for my loved friend.
Loved.
Oh, I just love spending time with all of them. Okay, now green. Green is the color of my silly friends. And now blue. Blue is the color of the sky, and it's also the color of my sad friend.
Oh boy.
But they're not always sad, just sometimes. All right, now I think I'm going to give everyone a face to match how I feel today. A big smile. I smile. I smile. I smile. And one more. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, now I think I'm going to add a ground. Oh, in blue. Maybe I don't want it in blue. Undo. And maybe I will add a tree. because I always love going to the park with my star friends, and we had a good time doing that. But I don't think I want that. I'm going to erase it. Yeah, perfect. I think I just want to remember the beautiful blue sky and clouds we had today. Oh, great. And it was sunshiny, so I'm going to add a sun in the corner in yellow. Oops, scribble it in. Oh, great. And today was warm, so I'm going to add some sun's rays too. Oh, so much fun. Okay, great. And now I think I want the ground to be nice dark blue, and I'm going to color that in. And this will always remind me of a wonderful day with all my star friends. Okay, next, Mood Buddy roll call. Let's feel all the feels. Happy. Yay! Pleasant or just neutral.
Okay.
Loved.
Oh, shucks.
Mad. Sad.
Boo-hoo.
Silly. And I don't know.
I don't know.
Or those times when you really don't. That's it for now, but there's many more moods to come. One last thing is to pick how I feel today. Today I think I feel silly. Click. And when I'm finished, I log my entry and success! Do you think you're ready to give it a try? If you have the journal on a phone, tablet, or computer, that's great. But if you don't, that's okay too. We have got you covered. Pause this video and journal away. Now it's time to read our journals. Wow! Look at all these great journals. They're written among the stars. I'm so proud of you. Here's a look at mine that I've done over time. And what's really cool is I can look back and see how I've grown. Whee! Key unlocked. If I've had a day where I've experienced big emotions that are tough to sort, I can come here and just talk and draw them out. You'll build a journal as big as mine someday, or maybe even bigger. I'm off to go twinkle somewhere. Shine on, journal buddies. It's bye for now, but there's so much left to explore! Whee! Like, subscribe, ring that bell. Comment, share.
I'm telling everyone!
Your support means so much to us. Don't forget to download Mindful if you already haven't. Mental health starts here. Available now. And check out our Mindiful SEL educational program. It's comprehensive and free.
Wow, I could download all that?
Want to support Mindiful?
Simply check out mindful.store.
Together, let's create a brighter today and tomorrow for all children.